Hello, everybody. I figured I'd come on here and do a weather outlook for us and see what we've got in store. This is for May 1st, 2024, and I am recording this at 1 a.m. in the morning. So, without further ado, I want to thank everybody, including JR Disposal, for sponsoring this radar that I use for the predictions and everything. King's Ransom for supplying all the hardware. And thank you to the group members and the citizens of Palo Pinto County for voting Palo Pinto County Scanner Group and Palo Pinto County Skywarn the best of 2023. We appreciate that. And if you'd like to make a donation, please donate to our Venmo account at, I think it's PG Scanner or GRP or something like that. There it is right there scrolling across the bottom. Palo Pinto Scanner Group. Palo Pinto SG is what you look at there on the Venmo to make a donation. And without further ado, Facebook isn't going to stop me. I'm going to come on over here and we're going to check out the latest and greatest SPC forecast for today. And we are kind of in a slight to enhanced. No, it's not really enhanced. It's moderate. I think that's what it's called, moderate. Let me go up here. That's enhanced. Slight. Yeah. Slight and marginal. So, Palo Pinto County, 3/4 of it is in a marginal chance for severe weather, and the other part's in a slight. So, with that being said, let's see what day 3 looks like. Not bad. Slight there as well. We'll turn that off and we will come over here to the model and let's go to the GFS. We're going to start out with GFS and we're going to go to as far out as I can here. We'll go out to the 8th, 10 p.m. on the 8th, and we'll do reflectivity and we shall load that baby up and let's see what we get here. Zoom it out and kind of get rid of some of this clutter. I mean, I can probably get rid of it, right? If I turn that off, maybe? I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, we'll zoom out a little bit here. Yeah, up north they're getting severe storms. They've got those all day. So, all right, this is done loading up. Let's put it in motion and see what happens. Right there. Let's back that up a little bit. It kind of looks like it wants to kind of do something right there. I don't know if that's going to skip us or not. But anyway, that's at midnight tomorrow night. That's midnight tomorrow night. Oh, I got to turn that off. Don't want y'all hearing that. Okay, so get some showers maybe. Go ahead and play it on out. Of course, this is all going to be a nocturnal, obviously, because it's obviously got to wake everybody up in the middle of their REM cycle. Mess up their sleep pattern for a while. And it looks like another round right there on the 3rd at 9:30 at night. Looks like it pops up and just leaves. Nothing severe. And then, what day is this? That's at 9:30 in the morning on the 5th, which is Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So there we go. All the way to the beginning. Go again. Here's Tuesday today, or Wednesday, I mean. So Wednesday, which is today, at 10:30. Wednesday at 10:30, we'll probably get some showers and thunderstorms. There's Thursday. Nothing really. Friday. This Friday night. Yeah, Friday night. Saturday. And Sunday. And that's all we'll go right there. So, that's what the GFS says. Let's go to the FB3. Load the same loop. Out, well, third. This one only goes out to the third because it's a little more detailed. Let's see here. Turn off those storm spotters. There we go. Radar seems to be loading up pretty fast tonight because it's not being slammed by everybody. And there we go. So this is Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday, that's tonight at 11:30. See it kind of really intensify right there. That makes me wonder. We'll have to see what HRRR says. See if HRRR agrees with the FB3. And if you're wondering, up here in the top left corner where it says model 52 and the time, that's what these pictures are, what day they are. So that right there is Thursday night at 7:45. Friday. So Friday. So we see what it shows on here, and we'll see if the HRRR agrees. All right. Let's go to HRRR, 48 hour. Go out as far as I can. Oh, it goes out to 5.4. So here we go. Let's load that loop up. Oh, nope. It went to the NAM on me. No wonder. Let's try that again. This one only goes out to the 2nd at 7 p.m. So it's not as far out. As soon as it gets loaded up here. Excuse me. I haven't been to bed yet, so I just got home a couple hours ago. All right, let's put the HRRR in motion and see if it agrees with the FV3. Ooh, that's quite a severe coming through there. That's at 10:30 tonight. 11. Yeah. Let's roll that back just a hair on that beautiful bean footage. Let's zoom in here. Whew. PK area. Looks like you guys might get nailed pretty hard. Let's go ahead and put that in motion and finish this out. Yep, there's midnight. That's Thursday morning. And then a couple little pop-ups Thursday morning remnants. There we go. One more time. This is the HRRR. So the FV3 and the HRRR are both agreeing that we're going to get severe weather tonight around, when's it going to say? We're going to start, we'll say it just starts at 10 o'clock. So 10 o'clock until 2 o'clock in the morning. So about 4 hours of severe weather. So with that being said, let's see what the wind gusts are going to be out of all that. Load loop. Oops. See how bad these winds are going to be coming through. Still loading. Yeah, Facebook banned my other account because I was trying to help PK East with their raffle. So if you could go over to the PK East Volunteer Fire Department and buy some raffle tickets for what they're giving away, and go support that local VFD because they need all the help they can get. All right, let's put this in motion. This is a wind gust. This is at 10 a.m. this morning. Let's see what the worst of it gets. Okay, I'm seeing that. Homie saw that. All right, remember, pink's bad. Red's not good either. So that's saying some 60-mile-an-hour winds right there. And then this is going to be, we'll just say 50. And then this orange is 40-something. So it's calling for some pretty decent wind gusts in our neck of the woods. So, and that's at 10:50, right when that storm's coming through. So there's going to be a gust front come through with that storm. You can see a bow right there. I call that a bow. So be ready tomorrow or tonight. Tonight is looking like it's going to be a rough one. Let's go ahead and finish playing that out. Yeah, and then it clears out 2 o'clock in the morning. All right. I'm willing to believe all that over the GFS. For some reason, GFS isn't. I'm not liking what the GFS has to say. Hail size. Everybody gonna want to know about hail. Let's load that hail loop up. It doesn't like me because it's metric. I'm not a fan of metric. Here we go. Let's see if any hail comes in. We are in motion. And there we go. Yep, 10 o'clock at night. First dibs right about, we'll just say 10 o'clock. It isn't really telling me size, but Strawn, all you guys, there's going to be some hail in with this little storm, with this little cell coming through. So there's a heads up for you right there. And that's it. So that hail's coming through when right about there. So that's the time the hail's coming through. And let's see. Let's go with 3 kilometer severe relative helicity. This is going to tell us how strong this storm's going to be, the energy that's in it. This is the amount of energy that this, how much gumption, how much gasoline it's got in it. Let's see if it's got any gas in it. That's what this is going to tell us. And come on, finish loading. There we go. There's some right there building up, building, and away. And then it comes in a little bit there. That's at 7:05 in the morning on Thursday. So not saying it's going to have that much energy, but to be honest with you, I don't. It looks like it may have more than we think. This is another one to see how much gas is in it. Come on, load it up. There we go. Like I say, this is the energy that's in the storm system. It's just not screaming a bunch. I mean, it's got energy, don't get me wrong. It's got gas in it, but it just ain't got enough gas in it to go very far. All right, now let's see if we can, we'll go total precipitation, see what we get there. There we go. I think that's going to be it right there. Yep, right there. So we ain't going to get much around here. 1.6, 1.5. It's going to be very sparse, unfortunately. Now it looks like PK West is going to get pretty good. Looks like down here in Eastland, they're going to do pretty good. Breckenridge, Graham, I don't know what that is. Decatur, Jacksboro, Reno. All these white spots are 2+ inches. So all the white's 2+, all the purple's about 1 inch. So 1 inch in that area, a little about 1.5 inches down around here. So, yeah, that's what we got to look forward to. We'll cap it at that. I'm trying to make these things a little bit shorter because it's getting hard to upload so many. So I hope that was enough information to help y'all out. And like I said, I appreciate everything that y'all do. And please make a donation to help me keep going and doing this, because it's not a cheap little hobby to do. And I love taking care of the citizens out here. And it's just something that's in my blood. So I appreciate it. And thank you very much. And you all have a blessed day. I will give an update tomorrow night, and if the storms come in tomorrow night and I am not at work adulting, then I will be on here trying to give you all updates. So thank you, God bless, and we will catch you later.